What's happening, BC Spirits? BC Spirits Spirit of Day, number 347. What am I playing with today? You know, all this week it's all been new stuff. So today, we're doing the Fernie Distillers Damson Plum Gin, which I'm really looking forward to. It's a gin liqueur, basically, 26% alcohol, seasonal spirit. I've never tasted a Damson Plum. I've never tasted a plum gin. If you guys have watched any of my episodes, we've done a couple of Slivervitzes, but even Slivervitz, even though plums are very, very popular here in BC, we don't have a lot of Slivervitzes. I would say Slivervitz 5 times fast. Slivervitz, no, we can't do it. We don't have a lot of Slivervitz, which is a plum eau de vie, which is very interesting because plum grows really well here in BC, but we don't seem to have a lot of plum-centric spirits. Maybe I'll have to figure that. Ooh, on the nose. That gin comes through really poignantly, like straight away. Nice, full-bodied gin. The gin we tasted the other week. Oh, I haven't tasted the gin yet. I've got ahead of myself. Probably should have tasted the regular gin before I did the Damson. But you know what? Screw it. Let's just plow into it. Oh, really nice cut pine saw on the nose. Hints of this plum. Now, growing up as a kid, we weren't exactly well off, and cans of plum jam were very cheap, especially for a family of 6, or a family of 8 if you include my parents, but growing family of 6, I remember plum jams being a very, very big part of my childhood. Plum jam sandwiches, that was it. I remember cans of them very, very vividly, and man, this brings back memories. This is a combination of my life now, tasting fantastic craft gins, and a bit of my childhood with that plum jam sandwich to go to school. Just plum jam on bread, that was it. Maybe a little margarine if we were lucky. But man, very, very tasty. I really quite like this on the palate. It's all it's thick and viscous, all plum, with this beautiful aromatic, fragrant, almost cut piney juniper gin just rolling underneath it. But that plum is so predominant, so fantastic. I have to admit, as flavored gins go and flavored gins liqueurs, this is a very, very tasty little number. This is the Fernie Distillers Damson Plum Gin. Beautiful. Thank you for taking me back to my childhood. Thanks as always for the support, guys. See you tomorrow. Bye.